How to download CapCut on a PC or laptop for free. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to easily download and install CapCut on your Windows PC or laptop for free. CapCut is now officially available for Windows, so you no longer need an Android emulator to use it on your computer. You can simply install it directly from the Microsoft Store. To begin, click on the Windows Start button and type Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store from the results. Once it loads, go to the search bar at the top and type CapCut. After searching, you should see CapCut appear in the results. Click on it, then select Install or Get depending on what is shown. The app size is around 333 megabytes, so it will download fairly quickly on most connections. Once the download and installation are complete, open the Start menu again. CapCut should now appear under Recently Added Apps. Click it to launch the application. The first time you open CapCut, it may perform a quick system check to ensure your PC can run it properly. Click Confirm to continue. After that, CapCut will fully open, and you can start creating and editing videos right away on your Windows PC or laptop. That's it for this guide on downloading and installing CapCut on Windows. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.